Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a Dreamcore character using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to open Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign into this website to get free credits. And go to the home menu, select image, and you're going to add this prompt. You can use my prompt or you can use your own prompt. It's up to you. And you're going to upload your photo. I'm going to choose wait guys, I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and we're going to upload it. Click on this button to submit your photo. Okay, and hold on guys, now the photo is being generated by the AI. Okay, done for the result, and I'm going to choose I like this one, and I'm going to download it. We can select without Pippit Watermark and click on download here, or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on try again, and then the AI will regenerate some photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how we can turn ourselves into a Dreamcore character using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!